Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. I teach Ielts here. Well guys, this is the second video of this series about speaking where questions are given with answers. I made one video, you guys liked that video and you requested me to make more videos. So here I am with the same shirt making a second video for you guys. Well, now let's go on. All you need to do, I'll say the question and then you got to answer. If you've got less time, you can pause the video and then play it again. Pause and play, read the answer. That's going to be a good idea, right? Let's take a start. Topic is friends and it's speaking part 1. Are your friends mostly your age or different ages? Do you usually see your friends during the week or at weekends? The last time you saw your friends, what did you do together? In what ways are your friends important to you? Okay, now let's change the topic. Do you like reading? Do you usually read for leisure or for work purposes? What was your favorite book or story when you were a child? Do you think it is important that children read regularly? Alright, let's talk about studies. Do you like studying? Do you prefer to study alone or with others? Where do you prefer to go when you need to study? How do you feel if someone disturbs you when you are studying? Now let's change the topic. I hope you're doing well. Do you like walking? Do you think walking is important? Do you think walking in the countryside is better than walking in the city? What could be done to improve the experience of walking in cities? Alright, let's change the topic now. I'm going to talk to you about parks. Do you like parks? How often do you visit parks? Why are parks an important part of many towns and cities? What do you think could be done to make parks better? Alright, that's all. Thank you very much. So guys, if you like this video, do tell me. And if you want me to make dozens of videos like this, just go down and comment. Okay, your comment is my command actually. So just comment if you want me to make more videos like this, and this is how I'm going to make some videos about IELTS speaking part 2 and part 3 for you as well. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that you are the first one to watch my videos whenever I upload them. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.